Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you all are fine at home. I am Khushpreet, your class teacher. Students, today we are going to do the theme that is shapes. And our today's topic is star shape. We learn about the star shape. In this topic, we learn about how we make the star shape, okay, and also do some activity. Before going to start our session, firstly let's recite a rhyme that is twinkle twinkle little star. Twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Now again, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Okay. Now, after reciting this rhyme, let's do an activity. For this activity, you need a colored paper, a glitter. Firstly, cut the colored paper in the shape of triangle, like as you see in this picture. And after that, put both the triangles together, one with the tip up and another with the tip down. By doing this, you make the star shape, and after that, decorate your star with the glitter. Okay, firstly, you need colored paper. Okay, then cut the colored paper in the shape of triangles. After that, put both the triangles together, one with tip up and one with tip down. By doing this, you make the star shape, and after that, decorate your star with glitter. Students, you can use any glitter, okay, of any color. And this is of golden color. You can also use red, pink, blue, green, any color. Okay, we use glitter to make this shape more attractive. Okay, now let's do another activity. In this activity, you need a cork board, pins, and rubber bands. Firstly, fix the pins on the cork board, and after that, fix the rubber band in the shape of star. Okay, firstly, for this activity, you need a cork board, pins, and rubber bands. Firstly, students, you have to fix the pins on the cork board. Okay, one by one. And after that, fix the rubber band in the shape of star shape, the shape of star. Okay, students, if you do not have cork board, Then you can also use cardboard, softboard, anyone. Okay, you students, you try to do any activity from these two activities at your home with the help of your parents, your siblings, with anyone. Okay, and you also learn the rhyme, that is twinkle twinkle little star. Okay, students, I hope you all enjoyed the session. Okay, stay connected with your school, with your teachers. Thank you. Have a bright day.